Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to split a page in Google Docs. Splitting a page in Google Docs is really useful, especially if you want to create columns like newsletters or side-by-side layout. Now to get started, just go here onto your top menu and then click on Format. Then hover over Columns. From there you can choose how many columns you want. In this example, we'll set it to 2 columns in here. So click on that. And once you've done that, you can now start typing here on the left corner. So just feel free to type anything that you want to add here on your document. Now, if you want to go and move your text over to the right column, just go to the top menu again and click on Insert. Then hover over Break and then select on Column Break. Now it should go ahead and instantly move your cursor to the next column where you could go ahead and continue typing. So you can switch between columns anytime just by clicking in here or clicking on the column where you want to type. And that is just basically how you can easily split a page in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.